Start your own business for just rupees 50. There is no need to invest bulk money or borrow from anyone. If you are a mobile phone user, starting SMS marketing through your mobile phone. First look SMS marketing definition. What is SMS marketing? SMS marketing, also known as text messages marketing, is a method by which business and organizations send out special coupons, promotion alert, and more, while highlighted targeted permission-based option in text messages. These messages are limited to a max of 160 characters. What is permission-based marketing? Permission-based is a form of marketing in which customer give their explicit permission to be marketed to. This can be view an online option in form, constant entries, or texting a particular keyword to a shortcode. Interruption marketing is the exact opposite. Marketers try to interrupt whomever they can, in hope of forcing a promotional message or offer on the consumer. This alternative to permission-based marketing has become a mainstream way to advertise, as we are all hit with unwanted messages every day. We as consumers are exposed to over 3000 interruption marketing messages on a daily basis. To combat all these messages fighting for our attention, we develop a hard outer shell to block out this communication. That we are now seeing more provocative, over-the-top ads in modern media. How exactly does permission-based marketing break through that shell? It does so by only marketing to people who have expressed special interest in certain messages. That's why SMS marketing is so effective. With that being said, let's talk about why text messages is so powerful. Why SMS marketing? It's permission-based, just like what we discussed in the last section. You can only send text messages blast to customers that have opted into your communication. This makes your marketing list extremely contracted, as these content customer who plan on fertilizing your business, usually on a regular basis. It's a mass communication tool. Just about everyone owns a cell phone. It's more than likely that all these phones can receive text. SMS marketing allows you to touch base with subscriber at the click of a button. It's instant. Text messages are sent and received in a matter of seconds. Think about how powerful that is alone. It allows you to control the exact time and date that customer read your promotion. It's trackable. It allows you to easily measure which messages, promos are looking and which one aren't. This helps you constantly improve your text campaign and marketing messages on all other promotional outlets. Benefit of SMS marketing. There are many different benefits of SMS marketing, and they vary based on the industry you are in and how you choose to use it. Here are some of most common benefits expressed by marketers and business owners who use SMS. Increase foot traffic to your business. Increase your sale and customer base. Reward loyal customers while creating new ones. Establish a strong personal connection with your customer. Instantly communicate with customer. Customer can easily forward variable text promotion to friends and family. Customer stay in the loop with your business. Customer won't feel forgotten due to lack of marketing reach. SMS marketing statistic. Now that we have some background on why SMS marketing is so powerful, let's take a look at just a few of the most important text messages states. 95% of text messages are read within the first 5 minutes. 70% of people would like offer from their favorite businesses sent right to their cell phones. The average person look at their cell phone 150 times per day. 22% of our text messages with value are forwarded on to friends and family. There is a question in everyone's mind at the moment: how to get started and who your customer is. Recharge your account and promote your business first. It takes time, but it is useful. Doing something it's better than to doing nothing.